we embark upon today's proceedings, I would like to welcome Dr. H.S. Nagaraja, founder and chief mentor Prayoga, to speak. Dr. HSN is a distinguished educationist, visionary leader, and committed social entrepreneur whose career spans decades of impactful education and public service. Renowned for his pioneering efforts in experiential science education, he founded Prayoga to promote hands-on, holistic learning, breaking traditional disciplinary silos and encouraging scientific exploration among students. Beyond academics, he is deeply engaged in social initiatives. His enduring contributions continue to inspire educational reform and social responsibility in India. I request Dr. H.S. Nagaraja to kindly acquaint us with Prayoga and its vision.
Good morning and a warm welcome to all the dignitaries, invitees, Prayoga family members, and a host of well-wishers who are not seen directly, who have always blessed every effort in building this organization to its present stature. A good morning to all these people. Today is a very special day. Institutions are born and they have their own pathways for the contribution that the institutions want to do. But some days become very special. Prayoga is basically a research organization. Basically, research in education. Times have changed, and the traditional method of rote memory has not only become irrelevant, but that will be counterproductive and destructive for the future. Therefore, the team of trustees at Prayoga decided that we should be able to do transformation requirements in education through research and innovation. Nothing can change, particularly in the right direction, unless it is backed by research. Opinion does not stand for long. Therefore, in that sense, this has been groomed very carefully with the help of all the advisors and the trustees to be an organization to aim towards building the necessary infrastructure in terms of research ingredients so that India's education system undergoes a transformation in the right direction. That's the objective or the aim of this organization. It's also possible not in short-term studies. We have started with school education, started with science, but today is a very special day. I'll come to that towards the end. And anything that is done in short run does not give enough results to depend upon. Therefore, the programs that have started both as Kriya and Anveshana are long-term. Particularly Kriya is a longitudinal study extending a minimum period of 5 years. And this is actually not only done to study a set of students, it's spread across the demography in such a way all the social strata are met. And therefore, longitudinal study along with the spread that is chosen to represent the demography will be able to scale it for the national level and help the policy makers. That's the objective of this study. And also, research without really understanding what is the impact it is supposed to make in the society also does not make much sense, because research by itself is fine, but what does it lead to is equally important. In that sense, all the services provided by, or all the involvement of Prayoga with all the schools has been at no cost, and 97% to 98% of the beneficiaries of these projects are getting it absolutely for free. And it is also the Prayoga's mission that not only till now, but in future also, the beneficiaries should not pay a pie of money into this institution. India never connected money with three things: education, healthcare, and food. Food was never sold, medicine was never sold, education was never sold. Therefore, at least as a symbol of the culture of this organization, Prayoga aims to stand alone as a testimony of our ancestral values. We work with students, teachers, and a large number of institutions. Maybe from this month of May end or early June, Prayoga will have about 11,000 students across the state, predominantly from government schools. And the number of students doing Anveshana has risen from roughly 20 people to about 50 people, covering 8 states from across India this time. The beauty of today is, I think I should also start it with Mr. Prahlad. One day he said, "Are you doing anything in mathematics? Can we do something?" Mathematics threatens most people. Can we do something so that mathematics does not become a one word I'll borrow, not exact sentence. Mathematics should not be a terror kind of thing. So terrorizing mathematics should go and mathematics should become enjoyable. And then he suggested a project naming Professor Woolman as the originator of the idea. We immediately jumped that idea. Prahlad, today we are seeing the result of your conversation, and it's a very special day because it's not easy. Somebody like Professor Woolman spending every week 1.5 hours with our staff, hand-holding, guiding them, evaluating every question, and today we have reached a stage where we have completed the mathematics learning content for class 9 based on the root question method, and today we are actually announcing that part. And this, in that sense, is an exceptional day in the journey of Prayoga. I think we started with science. Today we have entered mathematics as a day for celebration. I think we look forward for many more days to celebrate so that Prayoga truly will become an organization to contribute to global knowledge in the field of education. Thank you very much. Namaste.